Welcome to AI Toolkit Online. In this video, we'll explore the Team feature, which is a tool designed to enhance collaboration and streamline workflows across your team. Now, the Team feature is only available in the most advanced package. So if you don't see it um, in your toolkit, you can always upgrade. So let's get started. Log into your dashboard, select the Team feature down below. When you select the team feature, this tool allows you to add team members, assign roles, and collaborate seamlessly on projects. So in this example, you can upgrade to the team plan, which is the enterprise here. You're allowed to add up to 10 or up to three seats to collaborate. So why is the team feature so important? Well, with this tool, you can collaborate seamlessly. So we talked earlier about the document section. And with adding teams, they can share resources. You could set up folders, file folders for each team member or each team type, like marketing, sales, and so on. And as a manager, you can monitor their activities. So let's take a look at the Teams feature here. You can add a new team member here. When you do that, it will send them an email to get added into AI Toolkit. So they'll register with their email address. Once they confirm their account, then they will actually be added to your team. Down here below, there's nothing here, but this is where you will actually monitor their activity. It'll show their status, whether they're active or not, whether when they joined, uh, what role you assign to them, whether it's just a user or admin or whatever. And then, some of the activity, like how many images and words they used, as well as some most recent actions. So that's essentially the team function. You can collaborate effectively by creating shared projects. You can assign tasks to individual team members and grant them access to the tools that they need. So the team feature enables real-time collaboration, share documents, exchange ideas through chat, and track project progress, all in one place. Stay organized with activity logs. Track edits and updates to ensure everyone is on the same page. So manage your team with ease with the Teams feature. Update roles, remove members, adjust permissions to keep your workflow secure and efficient. The team feature empowers collaboration and productivity. So log in today and bring your team together with AI Toolkit Online.